with Rylis Paint coatings.
Hi, it's Rainer here from R1 on Paints and Rylis Coatings. Today I'm doing a multiple surface demonstration. There's wood at the bottom, tiled roof, zinc roof, clay bricks, cement bricks, paving bricks. Asbestos was covered in the previous couple of videos. It works perfectly on asbestos. So yeah, let's put in the product and see how it seals.
Got a roof that's leaking, paving cracked and weak. Rylis got the rubber that keeps it dry all week. From tile to zinc and timber that locks out rain and more. Waterproof and power that you can't ignore. Blue Rylis paint coat is built to hold in heat or hail, in wet or cold. Seal your walls.
Alright, gave it a couple of minutes to dry. This was the first coat. We waited a few minutes, put the second coat, and we're gonna put the water in.
Rylis got the rubber that keeps it dry all week. From tile to zinc and timber that locks out rain and more. Waterproof and power that you can't ignore. Blue Rylis paint coat is built to hold in heat or hail, in wet or cold. Seal your walls, your roof, your...
Okay, as you can see, it seals perfectly on all the different types of surfaces.
Rylis got the rubber that keeps it dry all week. From tile to zinc and timber that locks out rain and more. Waterproof and power